How's it going, guys? So today we're going to be doing the oil change on the Turbo S. So, as you guys can see, this one has 146 miles, 30 hours. So we still got a little bit to do it, but might as well figure to do it. We're going up on almost 2 years owning it, but without doing the service. So it's not like we're taking it much anyway. So we figured we're gonna do the oil change on it. So we went over to get the parts, right? They actually sell the kit, oil change kit, and the air filter. The air filter you buy separately. So what's on the oil change kit? You get 3 quarts, 1050. You get your oil filter, right? And the crush washer that makes it a kit. And then on this one, it's just the air filter, and then you get like this like ring. I'm gonna find out what that's for a little later, but there you go. Seal. Something. They provided hella grease though in there, but yeah, so not much to it. Pretty much. Oh yeah, we ended up paying $54, but it could change. I don't know, depending on your state or the place where you got it. So and I think this one ended up being like $40 around there. Yeah, so well, kind of pricey, but it's whatever. Yeah, you're gonna need just regular tools. You know, you got your fucking 3/8 wrench, oil filter wrench, and then the 6mm hex socket for your drain plug, and that's it. So first we're going to go ahead and start with the air filter. I think that's just going to be the easiest one. So air filter is located back here. Hold the tab and it's right there. Alright, so you want to undo the 4 clamps holding onto the cover for the air filter. There it is, just slide it off. There's that little one. Although this one's it's not too dirty, but I mean, might as well. Just slide the new one back in. And boom. Yeah, for the most part, just reverse the steps, throw the clamps, the cover on, throw the clamps back on, and there you go. That's your air filter change.
This bottom one's kind of dry.
Yeah,
no space.
It looks like, yeah, especially that heat shield there, but much needed. And then we're gonna proceed with the oil change, so most likely just leave this open instead of putting back the cover. So yeah, that's that. All right, so the little hex drain pan bolt is under there. There it is. Now that it finished draining, we're gonna go throw on the new crush washer. There's the part number for you guys. Yeah.
flat part of the washer against the pad.
Yeah, for right now we don't know what the torque spec is on the drain pan bolt, but hand tight it, you'll be fine. So now next is the oil filter. The oil filter located right there. You got access from both sides, but it's up to you. It's gonna see which one's better. You want to check out the other side too?
The other side's better.
There's no direct path for the oil to drop on that, so you guys are gonna have to just kind of guess it where it's gonna drop oil. Or yeah, that too. Or a big enough pan to catch all that. But almost nothing came out of it, so that's good. Okay. And then just put the new one back in. We're good to go. Make sure you dab a little bit of oil on the seal as well. Not stick, because for the most part it's gonna stay there a good while, depending on how much you guys drive these. But yeah. There you go. Hand tight. Go ahead and throw on some brand new oil. Alright, I'm gonna open these up and then go ahead and throw them in. Now your engine oil dipstick is right there, right by the exhaust or downpipe. Let's see if it focus. Yeah, right around there. Perfect. 3 quarts. Yeah, compared to how much we removed, kind of seemed like we removed more than just the 3 quarts, but yeah. So remember, put your oil cap back on. Boom. Make sure it's tight, and then yeah, well, we're ready to throw on the cover. And then turn it on. Go. Should have got it off the trailer, but it is what it is. And there you go. Now we gotta reset the engine oil life. So press the top button there, settings, right? Go to vehicle, oil life. See, ours, we had 353 miles remaining, but we were due for the oil change on ours. 25 hours, we got 30. So to reset it, just go ahead and press the button. It's gonna let you know, reset, and then you're back at 500 miles and 25 hours remaining. And there you go. That's how you do it.